At first install some crucial packages via root prompt. pkg install pkg. pkg install sudo xorg xinit add zenity xterm firefox pluma nano inxi lightdm-gtk-greeter. Enable lightdm in /etc/rc.conf to start at system boot. sysrc lightdm enable equals yes. Echo exec dbus launch exit with x11 ck launch session mate session /.xinitrc https://docs.free.org/n/books/handbook/index.html. You need to edit groups, SUDOERS file, install graphic driver, set directories, set locales, and set USB umount. Groups. Sudo pw groupmod video m username. Sudo pw groupmod wheel m username. Sudo pw groupmod webcamd m username. Replace username with real username. SUDOERS. If not wanting to spend hours to teaching how to use Roman 6 editor, the best way is to install Nano editor and use Nano for editing SUDOERS file. Run as root. pkg install sudo nano. Sudo editor equals nano visudo. Comment out wheel and sudo lines like #uncomment to allow members of group wheel to execute any command. %wheel all equals all:all. Same thing without a password. %wheel all equals all:all no password all. #uncomment to allow members of group sudo to execute any command. %sudo all equals all:all. Save and quit. Graphics. Sudo pkg install inxi. pc-conf lv grep b4 vga. inxi gx. Sudo pkg install drmkmod. Sudo nano /etc/rc.conf. sysrc kld list plus equals i915 kms #intel. sysrc kld list plus equals raid Uncomment #amd. More settings from https://docs.free.org/n/books/handbook/x11/ my/etc/rc.conf. Hostname equals DC7700. Keymap equals fi.kbd. WLANs run 0 equals WLAN 0. If config WLAN 0 equals WPADHCP. Mouse enable equals yes. #set dump dev to auto to enable crash dumps. No to disable. Dump dev equals no. sysrc dbus enable equals yes. dbus enable equals yes. sysrc lightdm enable equals yes. lightdm enable equals yes. fusefs enable equals yes. sysrc kld list plus equals i915 kms. kld list equals i915 kms. If config m0 equals dhcp. webcamd enable equals yes. Directories. To get directories, you need to run a commands. Sudo pkg install xdguserdias xdgutils. xdguserdias update. After running xdguserdias update, take it off from startup applications. my tilde/.config/userdias.dias file. xdg desktop dia equals $home/typerite. xdg download dia equals $home/latexet. xdg templates dia equals $home/mallet. xdg public share dia equals $home/jailkinen. xdg documents dia equals $home/asiakurjat. xdg music dia equals $home/musiki. xdg pictures dia equals $home/qvat. xdg videos dia equals $home/videot. my tilde/.config/userdias.local file. Fi locales. To determine the current locale setting. Locale. To add or edit locale. Nano tilde/.login.conf. My contents, Finnish locale. #clogin.conf 5. me :charset equals utf8 :lang equals fi.utf8 : After editing reboot. USB unmount. I have not found how to unmount USB devices as regular user, but the next script may help you.